Hello YouTube, and welcome diecast family to another Muscle Car Monday. This Monday we got a lot of really awesome muscle cars in the mill over the past week or two. We're going to go ahead and take a look at. The first one is going to be a Greenlight Dodge Charger, I think, or Plymouth, no, Dodge Charger Daytona. Looks really awesome in the green. I think this was like a Mecum auction or something. I do not think it was a Green Machine. I think it is just slightly off from a Green Machine. The eBay seller did not have it labeled as a Green Machine. But it does resemble a Green Machine. The next one, I don't think I'm going to open it up. I think I'm going to keep it in its packaging. But it's a 1968 Pontiac Firebird. And this is a M2 Chase. I don't think it says how limited it is. They usually do. But I got a good deal on it, so I couldn't pass it up. Looks pretty awesome, I think. Almost like a Green Machine. So I do keep some things carded. And I have in my Green Machine display. So I'll just put it in there with them. So I don't crack everything open, but I do crack 90% or more. Probably more than 90%. So I'll go ahead and show another one I'm not going to crack open at this time. This is a 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA. And this one is a White Lightning. Couldn't resist picking one of these up off of eBay. A couple months from now, you will never be able to find this White Lightning. And I thought about cracking it open. But I'm not. I'm just going to leave it carded like this. And I'm going to put it in my display over there. But I can grab the regular variation real quick while you look at the next car I picked up off of eBay. One I've been wanting for a really long time. This is a Johnny Lightning. And this is going to be the Dirty Dukes of Hazzard. Now, I almost pulled the trigger and picked up one of these carded a couple months ago, and I'm kind of glad I didn't, and I was able to get it loose, because I absolutely love having this one loose. And if I would have picked it up carded, this is like a $120 car carded. So carded be really, really hard to crack open. But loose, I am really happy to have it. Looks like a little bit of a Like it was dropped or scuffed on the roof. This was not cheap loose. Sorry about that. I just had out the Johnny Lightning Trans Ams because they were in a video. Oh, here they are. I left them out. It's looking in the wrong spot. So there's the white one. You can see it has red interior. And the bird is red. So they kind of made this one look almost like a gold rush. Or whatever the heck they call the racing champions. Which racing champions, Auto World and Johnny Lightning, they're all owned by Round 2. So the same company owns them all. So you can see the difference between the White Lightning and the regular variation is going to be the interior, the wheels, and then everything's in gold instead of red. Pretty cool. And the next two, I'm not sure what they are. Thought they were Johnny Lightnings. But they're in an M2 case, I think. But I don't think it is because it doesn't have the make and model. If this was an M2 case, it'd have the make and model. So the Johnny Lightnings might have came in these. I don't know. If anybody has any information on these, let me know. But I picked them up off eBay. I picked up a 2-car lot. Cannot resist my Dodge Daytonas. Even though they're fragile, you drop them, you break the fin off. This guy really put a lot of wire around these. The weathering effect that Johnny Lightning did on this, absolutely amazing. The clean variation goes for about $100-120 carded too. All of them from this line. There's Daisy's Jeep, which is awesome. I would love to have. That goes for a ton of money. I think they had the tow truck, which might go for more than this. But it was like a 6-car release. There was like a Challenger or something, and I think that's or a Cuda or something. It might have been a Cuda. And I think it might have been Cooter's Cuda or something. I don't know. But I think it goes for the least, and it goes for like $70. But so this is one I've been after for a long time. 4 or 5 years. And this wire is a big pain in the butt. And I got a pair of wire cutters. So I don't know why I'm even dealing with it. With the wire cutters, it came right out. Almost. Alright, so this is going to be a Johnny Lightning Dodge Daytona from 2004, it looks like. So probably about the same time that these came out. And since they're both sitting here, why not? Who did it better? Johnny Lightning or Greenlight? And right there, Greenlight is true 1/64th, where the Johnny Lightning's a little bit smaller. On its own, the Johnny Lightning looks absolutely amazing, though. But yes, I do think the Greenlight's more accurate, more to scale, and maybe looks a hair better. But I do not think it looks better than this Johnny Lightning Dodge Daytona. Look at this thing. This one right here is the only reason I bought the 2-car lot. I don't even want to touch this. That's freaking insane. Now that's a paint job. With Goodyear tires. And this wire was a bad idea on this casting. Because how are you supposed to get wire off without touching the car? Almost there, got one piece off. 3 more to go. What the heck? Now I lost it behind the tire. This is worse than opening up one of my daughter's Barbie dolls on Christmas morning. You need a whole freaking tool set to get into them babies. Screwdrivers, wire cutters, a knife, you name it, you need it. Sorry for such a long wait, but I promise it will be worth it, guys. This is absolutely amazing looking car. Wow. That is every bit as nice or nicer than a Hot Wheels RLC. But if this was a Hot Wheels RLC, probably would be $150 to $250. And I'm sure that if you looked hard enough, you might be able to find this Johnny Lightning for $10 to $20. So for $10 to $20, I'll take this thing and add it to the collection every time. If you can see some cars in the background. I showed them in a previous video, so you'll have to check that out. Even though there are some muscle cars, I just haven't put them away yet. But since we're looking at cars with absolutely amazing paint jobs, let's check out this Hot Wheels Hottest Metal Cars in the World Neo Classic Series Olds 442. And yes, I got it for the Burgundy car collection, and I kind of like this Olds 442 casting. You can see it's numbered to 10,000. This is number 6,000 or 9,604. So right at the end of the run for this thing. And yes, another car that I really do not want to touch. But man, this is nice. Well, they don't make these easy to get into. Come on. Boy, everything's hard to open tonight. Almost there. Maybe not. What the heck? There's one piece of plastic. There's still another piece of plastic I can't get out. I don't know what they did with this. I can't get into... There we go. Look at that. Got that out of there. Now, next to the GTO, the Olds 442 has always been my second favorite muscle car. Then the Chevelle might be number 3. But I haven't really thought about number 3. I just know GTOs have always been my number 1 favorite muscle car. Absolutely love the Pontiac GTO. But the Olds 442 has always been my second favorite. Ever since I was a kid. Ever since I started going to car shows when I was a little kid. The GTO and the Olds 442 were it for me. Amazing, amazing chrome paint on this. So there you go. The paint job on a RLC compared to a Greenlight. And look, the Greenlight's base is chrome or nickel. It's really, really shiny. Tell me them paint jobs aren't amazing. And I think you can get this one for like probably about 20, 25 bucks on eBay shipped. I think I paid like 22. So it's not ridiculous. They're both probably about the same price there. For cars with paint jobs that look like that, holy cow. Then we have another Hot Wheels Racing Championship NHRA Drag Racing Series. This Real Riders. This is going to be the 1973 Plymouth Duster in the Holy Moly. Of course, this is for the Burgundy car collection. So there's other ones in the release. Looks like it's from 2011 or 12. And looks pretty awesome with that big old hood scoop. And I think with that, we're going to end it with this Muscle Car Monday. So, let me know which one was your favorite. I can't pick one. I mean, my favorite's going to be this one, for sure. Just because I've waited 5 years to get it in hand. So happy I was able to get it loose too. I enjoy my loose cars a lot more than I enjoy my carded cars. Unfortunately, carded cars tend to just get put away. Not to say you don't put away your loose cars, but your loose cars are so much easier to get out, display, take pictures of. Like I bought them mini GTs like a month or two ago. They were in a video and they're still on my display there. I have yet to take them out just because I really enjoy looking at them. Just like that Super Treasure Hunt. I have place over here where I put all my supers, a Hot Wheels display, but yet I just enjoy looking at it. So I'll leave it sit out. These ones I just haven't put away yet because I'm lazy and I haven't had the opportunity to. And somebody said that this was a commemorative car. I had a bunch of people tell me it was a commemorative car for Dan Wilden or something. Was that his name? Yeah, Dan Wilden. Yeah, they said he died in, I think, 2011 in an Indy race. Maybe at Vegas or something, and said a tire from another car broke off and hit him. And that's just horrible. Really awesome of Hot Wheels to do a commemorative car for him and put Real Riders on it. Now, I don't know if these came in cases and were sold as like normal Hot Wheel, like a normal Hot Wheels mainline, or how they came. If it was a mail-in, I have no idea. But makes the car a little bit even more special. And it's very unfortunate, though. But anyways, make sure to like, subscribe. Let me know which one was your favorite this week. And have an awesome day.